forest floor. The forest floor is where all the leaves drop every year. Then the tree also drop his body. Sometimes they drop a limb, and they also drop their leaf. The vines that grows up in the garden also breaks down and become compost. Then from time to time you might see a tree fall down, just like this one. This is a tree, and if you notice what's going on here, you're gonna see this tree is breaking down already. You see? So over a period of time, this is what's gonna happen. The tree gonna break down, and in a few years you're gonna start seeing the decay. You're gonna start seeing, you see, plants running their roots up. This is awesome. When you put this in your soil and this blend up with the dirt, it becomes so spongy. It becomes so spongy. Your soil becomes spongy, so when the rain comes, the water, this suck the water and it keep it for a period of time. Instead of your soil is dry, and when the water wet it, it just run through. So this is a good thing to have in your soil. So like this, guys, what I'll do with this, I'll take off all these and I'll put them in my soil. You could also put them in containers. You also could take this, cut it up really nice and bury it in your garden. And guys, this is the beauty of a natural garden. So we have this whole tree trunk going over here, and as we see, it's been here for years. It's been here for years, but as we see, it start breaking down rapidly. All right? So look at the flow of the forest and follow, mimic it. Mimic the flow of the forest, and you're gonna get great result. Mimic it and add it just to your soil, just to your garden, and you're gonna get great result. So guys, if you're interested in organic garden, please follow us, please subscribe, please hit the notification bell that you can be notified anytime we post a video. Peace and love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.